My name is Devren Cook and welcome to my listing on Tanglewood Drive here in Farmers Branch, Texas. This property is actually on 0.6 acres on the Brookhaven Country Club golf course. It's an exclusive property and it's actually outside of an HOA, which is very rare to see when you get into these golf course properties. Listed just under $2.5 million. It has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,761 square feet. This property also features a 50-year metal roof. It has a 650-foot water well and 10.2 kilowatts of solar power. This is an extremely unique property with very unique and personal touches from the owners and the builders of this property, and I'm here to take you on a tour. All right, so first things first, you see the exterior of the property. It looks very modern, but also with some rustic features. It does have the brown brick. It has some stone accents as well as some stucco. Now, one thing you're gonna notice about this property is that you're gonna see a lot of concrete. And the owners of this property, when they built it, they actually went to the maximum amount of concrete that they're able to pour for this property by the city of Farmers Branch. They weren't able to pour any more. They maxed it out. And so you're gonna see just a ton of space where you can park cars. You have these oversized bays and oversized garages. You could comfortably fit a boat or an RV in there. You also have on this side a pass-through extra tall garage where you can pull an RV in, and it actually comes all the way through to the breezeway on the other side. And this is a door also into the property. I'm gonna take you through the breezeway and the exterior of the property here in a moment. But for now, let's go through the entrance of the property and let's discuss some of the features that you're gonna get if you were to purchase this property here in Farmers Branch. Now, you're gonna see when you come to the entrance of the property, you're gonna be greeted by these beautiful steel doors, double doors, very sturdy, very industrial, very high quality. Now, when you walk into the property, you're gonna see these beautiful floors and you're gonna be greeted with the formal living room. You're also gonna have over here the dining area or the breakfast nook. This is more of a breakfast nook area because you are gonna have a formal dining space. You also have a wet bar over here with your fridge and wine coolers. Now, you're gonna see a lot of unique features in this property. For example, you're gonna see some of these wooden accents throughout the property that you're gonna see right here on this mantle. This wood right here and this wood that you see over top as well was actually from this property. It was on site and it was actually reclaimed wood that they used in the construction. The owners of this property really wanted to save as much as the raw materials as they can and implement it in the building of this property, which is a really unique thing, and you don't see a lot of that these days. Now, when you're coming into the kitchen, you're gonna see this beautiful oversized island, this beautiful stone countertop with these beautiful veins going throughout. These are actually higher than average countertops, so they're gonna be really comfortable to use, to cook on. You're gonna have a gas 6-burner range, and then you're gonna have a dual oven as well. And then you're gonna have your built-in refrigerator. Blends in with the cabinets, looks very nice. And then you have your pantry over here as well. You're gonna have your sink over here, your cooking sink or your prep sink. You're gonna have over here your main sink that you're gonna use, dual dishwashers. And then you're gonna have here your microwave as well. Now, one of the most unique things about this property that I really love is actually this space right behind me. The owners of this property, they really wanted to take what they love about Colorado homes and implement it here in their Texas home. Now, we're actually gonna visit that section of the property and the outdoor space at the end of this video, but let's go look at the bedrooms. But first off, before we hit the bedrooms, we're gonna come over here. You're gonna see more of this reclaimed wood that was used to build this barn door from this property itself. You're gonna have a half bath over here for your guests, and then you're gonna have a nice, comfortable office space as well that you can use. Now, you're going to see in this property a lot of windows as well. You can see these floor to ceiling windows. You're gonna have these double opening doors, and I'm gonna take you outside here in a moment. Now, as you come through this hallway, you're gonna see door after door after door. And that is because the owners of this property, when designing the home, they didn't want dead space. So they built as much storage space as possible. And so that's why you get a lot of closets. Now, what you're gonna see down this hallway is you're gonna see bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 1 over here. These are actually Jack and Jill style bedrooms. So as you come through to the room, you have your closet over here on the right. You're gonna pass through here to the bathroom, and it's gonna actually share it with the next door room. But you're gonna have your own private vanity right here, your toilet, your shower, and then you're gonna come through here to the private vanity for the neighboring room, and then you're gonna have the bedroom here as well. Perfect for guests, perfect for entertaining. And then as you come back through, you're gonna see this hallway where we just were, and just off of the primary suite on the left, you're gonna have your washroom. Now you're gonna have your washer and your dryer, you're gonna have your refrigerator, you're gonna have your sink, you're gonna have a dog wash and a dog door for your animals, which is very convenient to have, and you're gonna have a lot of counter space that you can use. Now, when walking into the bedroom, you're gonna see that you have very nice, beautiful ceilings with that inlay and the lighting accents as well. You have the nice plantation style blinds, and then you also have this beautiful bathroom with the standalone tub. You're gonna have a his and hers style vanity. You're gonna have her section right here with a mirror, a sitting area so the woman can do her makeup, her vanity. You're gonna have the vanity over here. You're gonna have your water room, and then you're gonna have over here on the left, you're gonna have the master closet, which is very large. And then you're gonna have in the shower, the rain head, as well as several other nozzles so you can use all the water that you need. Now, going through to the rest of the property, I'm gonna take you outside, and this is really the golden features of this property, in my opinion. This is why you're gonna buy this property. It's because of its location, it's because of where it's situated, and it's gonna be because of some of these unique outdoor features that you're getting. Again, think kind of Colorado lifestyle, Colorado cabins, real outdoors. That's what the owners were trying to recreate here. So when we're back in here through the living room, you're gonna see the pass-through fireplace. You're gonna see these gorgeous double steel doors. And then we're gonna be greeted with this beautiful formal dining room with this beautiful deer antler, it looks like chandelier. And you're gonna see all of these windows, all of this open light. And there's even more on the right side as well, where you're gonna have another living space. You're gonna have another kind of cabinet area, and you actually have these windows that open up into the kitchen. So it's gonna be very great for entertaining, very great for guests, and just look how bright it is in here. Look how open it is. Let's actually go outside, and you're gonna see that there's not only just one, but there's 2 and even 3 sliding doors that you can use to open these windows. Now you're gonna see when you get out here, you're right on the golf course. And now this property isn't gated. So you can put a steel fence up here or a wrought iron fence here if you want, but the owners have chosen just to leave this open because you really just get this beautiful view of the golf course, and you're just right here on this property. Now, I'm actually technically probably over the property line right now. You can see the fence right there and where we have our sign, okay? That is approximately where the property line ends. And so all of this section right here isn't gonna be your property, but also nothing's gonna be built there, and you essentially have some extra space if you wanted to come out here with some kids, throw a ball, play some games, do what you're gonna do. Now, you're gonna see a lot of nature and a lot of really interesting things out here. Some more of this reclaimed wood. One thing to mention also with this property is there is radiant heat flowing throughout the interior of the property and also throughout a lot of the exterior of the property as well. That's actually going to take care of pretty much all of the heating for the property, even in the winter time. So you're really not gonna have to run your furnace because you're getting this radiant heat flooring. Now, coming over here, you're gonna see this gorgeous area. Again, some more reclaimed wood that was used to create these items. You have the beautiful fireplace, wood fireplace. And then you have over here in this section, another patio that opens up into the living space. And you can use this area really to build a small pool. And we have some renderings here if you would like to see some examples of those. You have your dog run area over here. It's fenced off for your dog, opens up into the washroom. And then over here, you're gonna have some different areas where you can have some plants, you have a space to have a fire, cook some marshmallows, have some s'mores, and just have a great time with young children or really kids of any age, because who doesn't want s'mores? Now, coming back through this property, you can see we're walking over more of this reclaimed wood over to this other section of the property. You're gonna have this tree right there on the property, and then you're gonna have your outdoor grill space. Again, reclaimed wood bar, very unique. And you're gonna have, just through this way, the breezeway, you're gonna have your pass-through oversized garage. And this is one of the unique features about this property that I really love. You have this huge door, very awesome, reclaimed wood, and you're gonna have actually an outdoor shower. This is really unique. Just look at how awesome these fixtures are. Look at how unique this is. You can use a bathroom if you need to. You can take a shower. And this is gonna be really useful as well. Once you get a pool on this property, you're probably gonna be wanting to use that all the time. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this property. It's listed, again, just shy of $2.5 million. If you want to see more properties like this, definitely hit subscribe. And if you're interested and would like to tour this property, give me a call, shoot me a DM, and we'll get in contact and we'll get you out to this property.